everyone. I am here to present my project on production of electricity from non-biodegradable waste. I am Vinara from JNV Wayanad. My aim is to show how the waste that harms the environment can actually become a valuable source of clean energy. Every day, tons of non-biodegradable waste like plastic, rubber and synthetic materials are thrown away. These materials do not decompose easily and cause serious pollution. Instead of letting them fill landfills and ocean, our idea is to convert this waste into electricity. This process not only reduces pollution but also helps meet the growing energy demand. The main problems caused by non-biodegradable wastes are soil and water pollution, harm to wildlife and marine life, large landfills occupying usable land, and increased carbon emissions from improper disposal. So, how can we solve these issues by also generating something useful? That's where waste to energy technology comes in. Our project focuses on converting non-biodegradable waste, mainly plastic, into electricity. Here's how it works. This is a hut and we collect the non-biodegradable waste in this hut and we burn it. When we burn it, the heat energy produced will be sensed by this heating panel and it will be then converted into electricity and will be stored in this battery. Later it can be used for in the production of electrical vehicles and all. The byproducts of these process are H2O and CO2 in gaseous form, and when it is transferred through this pipe, H2O molecules will be present in this pipe throughout. The H2O molecules will be then condensed and it can be used for irrigation and all. And in the case of CO2, it will be then it can be purified and used for many other purposes. To conclude, non-biodegradable waste is not just a problem, it's a potential resource. By converting this waste into electricity, we can solve two major issues at once: waste disposal and energy shortage. If adopted widely, this approach can help create a cleaner and greener future. Thank you all for listening. I hope my project inspires new ideas for sustainable energy and waste management. Thank you.